Sharks and sunken ships, are they attracted? Throughout maritime history, the stories of shipwrecks and the creatures of the deep have captured human imagination. Among the many denizens of the ocean, sharks have held a particularly fearsome place in our collective psyche. But what is the relationship between sharks and sunken ships? Are sharks truly attracted to these underwater wrecks? And if so, why? Welcome to Predator of the Deep. Join us as we explore the mysterious lives of sharks. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated and dive deeper into the ocean's most fascinating creatures. In this video, we will dive into these questions and delve into the biology and behavior of sharks, the ecology of shipwrecks, and the broader oceanographic principles that govern marine life. The biology and behavior of sharks. Sharks have been a presence in Earth's oceans for over 400 million years. They belong to a wide variety of cartilaginous fish species. There are more than 500 species, varying in size from the small dwarf lantern shark about the size of a human hand to the massive whale shark that can grow up to 40 feet long. Despite the variety of shapes and sizes, sharks share certain characteristics. Understanding how these shared traits interact with shipwrecks can be made simpler and more accessible. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the marine ecosystem as apex predators. Their sensory systems excel at locating prey. It's fascinating how sharks possess an extraordinary sense of smell. They have the remarkable ability to detect blood in the water from long distances. They possess exceptional visual capabilities, enabling them to navigate and capture prey in the depths of the ocean, even in low-light conditions. Moreover, sharks possess fascinating organs known as ampullae of Lorenzini, which enable them to detect minute electrical signals emitted by other animals. They have the ability to locate hidden food in both sandy and deep ocean environments. Sharks excel at utilizing their senses to locate and capitalize on resources in close proximity to shipwrecks, as it aligns with their natural abilities. I find sunken ships fascinating as they transform into artificial reefs, attracting a diverse array of marine life. Sharks have numerous hunting grounds and ample opportunities to find food. Wrecks are fascinating as they provide numerous hiding spots for prey, making them irresistible to sharks. In addition, sharks often utilize these structures as resting spots or nurseries, highlighting their vital role in the marine ecosystem. The ecology of shipwrecks. So, when a ship sinks, it actually becomes an artificial reef and becomes a permanent part of the ocean floor. These shipwrecks provide a great opportunity for marine organisms to find a new home, adding diversity to areas that would otherwise be covered in sand or mud. Over time, sunken ships become home to a diverse range of marine life, such as corals, sponges, algae, and various invertebrates. These organisms help create a lively environment that attracts fish and other large predators, which in turn contributes to a diverse and vibrant ecosystem. The process starts with colonization by early species like algae and barnacles. The first settlers laid the groundwork for more intricate organisms, such as corals and sponges, which need stable surfaces to thrive. As these little critters settle in, they make cozy homes and hiding spots for all sorts of small creatures, like crabs, prawns, and mollusks. There's a whole bunch of little marine creatures that hang out around the wreck, and that brings in the fish. They come in to chow down and find a safe spot to hide. As more fish start to gather around the wreck, it's only natural that the bigger predators follow suit. Sharks and other large fish are attracted to these areas because of the plentiful food source. The wreck's intricate structure provides plenty of hiding spots and resting places for these predators, creating the perfect hunting ground. As time goes by, the wreck turns into a lively underwater community where different species interact and boost the local biodiversity, ultimately benefiting the marine ecosystem's well-being. Attraction to sunken ships. It's no wonder that sharks are drawn to shipwrecks, considering the significant changes in the environment that occur as a result. There are multiple factors contributing to this appeal. 1. Increased prey availability. Sunken ships serve as artificial reefs, attracting a diverse range of marine life. Smaller fish and invertebrates are attracted to the structure because it provides them with shelter and food. Various prey species are present, which, in turn, attract larger predators such as sharks. Sharks tend to be attracted to areas with abundant prey due to their opportunistic feeding behavior. 2. Shelter and resting spots. Certain types of sharks often choose shipwrecks as places to rest. The crevices of a sunken ship offer shelter and safety from large predators or powerful currents. For instance, nurse sharks often choose to rest during the day in crevices and caves, which makes shipwrecks perfect places for them to relax. 3. Mating and nursery grounds. Sunken ships serve as artificial reefs, attracting a diverse range of marine life. Smaller fish and invertebrates are attracted to the structure because it provides them with shelter and food. Various prey species are present, which, in turn, attract larger predators such as sharks. Sharks tend to be attracted to areas with abundant prey due to their opportunistic feeding behavior. Case studies and observations. 1. The SS Thistlegorm. The SS Thistlegorm, a British armed merchant navy ship, was sunk during World War II and currently rests off the coast of Egypt in the Red Sea. This dive site has gained worldwide recognition for its abundant biodiversity. Many different types of sharks, such as reef sharks and hammerheads, are often seen by divers near the wreck. This hunting ground is perfect for predators due to the plentiful fish and the wreck structure. 2. The USS Oriskany. In 2006, the USS Oriskany, an Essex-class aircraft carrier, was purposely sunk off the coast of Florida to form an artificial reef. The Great Carrier Reef is home to a diverse range of marine life, including various species of sharks. Scientists and divers have observed bull sharks, sandbar sharks, and even the occasional great white shark near the wreck. These sharks benefit from the size and complexity of the carrier, which offers them ample habitats and hunting grounds. 3. The HMAS Brisbane. In 2005, the HMAS Brisbane, a former Royal Australian Navy destroyer, was intentionally sunk off the coast of Queensland, Australia. Since then, it's become a well-liked dive site and has experienced a notable rise in marine life. Gray nurse sharks, a species often found near the wreck, are known to seek refuge in caves and crevices. The wreck offers perfect conditions for these sharks to rest during the day and then hunt at night. The role of divers and tourism. Shark behavior can be influenced by the presence of divers near shipwrecks. Many divers bring food with them while underwater, either to attract fish for photography purposes or sometimes by accident if it spills. This may lead to an increase in shark presence in the area, as they're attracted by the smell of food and the higher activity of prey species. This situation has both positive and negative aspects. On one hand, it allows shark enthusiasts and researchers to witness these magnificent creatures up close. On the other hand, it can disrupt the shark's natural behavior, which may result in higher risks for both sharks and humans. Conservation and ethical considerations. The connection between sharks and shipwrecks also brings up significant conservation and ethical concerns. Sharks are confronted with various challenges, such as overfishing, habitat destruction, and the high demand for shark fins. Artificial reefs created by shipwrecks can contribute to conservation efforts by offering habitats that sustain shark populations. It's important to responsibly manage these sites to prevent them from being overexploited by tourism or other activities. Technological and scientific advancements. Recent technological advancements have provided researchers with the ability to closely examine the interactions between sharks and shipwrecks. Thanks to the advancements in underwater technology, it is now possible to explore wrecks that were once deep and inaccessible. Underwater drones, remote-operated vehicles, ROVs, and advanced diving equipment have played a crucial role in making this exploration simpler and more understandable. These technologies have given us valuable information about how sharks behave and live near shipwrecks. For instance, studies that involve tagging and tracking have provided valuable insights into the movement patterns and habit preferences of sharks. Scientists can monitor the movements of sharks by tagging them and using satellite tracking. This allows them to study how sharks interact with shipwrecks and other habitats. Studies have indicated that certain sharks have a tendency to revisit particular wrecks, while others may only utilize them temporarily for hunting purposes. The broader oceanic context. To understand better why sharks are drawn to shipwrecks, it is necessary to take into account the wider oceanographic context. Shark distribution and behavior are influenced by factors such as ocean currents, water temperature, and the availability of food sources. Areas with strong currents or upwelling zones tend to attract more marine life because of the abundance of nutrients. The oceanographic conditions can improve the productivity of the artificial reef, making it a more appealing site for sharks. The fascinating connection between sharks and sunken ships involves a complex interplay of biology, ecology, and oceanography. Shipwrecks serve as artificial reefs, providing new habitats that attract a wide variety of marine life, including sharks. These sites are appealing to sharks due to the abundance of prey, shelter, and potential mating grounds. Nonetheless, the presence of divers and the influence of tourism can affect shark behavior, emphasizing the importance of responsible management of these underwater cultural heritage sites. These incredible underwater wonders provide a special opportunity to witness the strength and flexibility of marine life, serving as a reminder to protect our oceans for future generations. Sharks are often drawn to shipwrecks due to various factors, such as hunting opportunities, seeking shelter, or following ocean currents. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Do you think sharks are naturally attracted to shipwrecks, or is it more about the environment the wrecks create? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos.